In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a GoHighLevel account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to confirm, and how to make sure your account is permanently removed, if that's what you need. First, open the official GoHighLevel website and sign in to your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Take a moment to let the dashboard load completely so all menus are available. If your sidebar looks condensed, expand it so you can see all the options clearly. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you find Settings. Click it. This area houses your account and business configuration options, so it's where most high-level changes are made. Inside Settings, locate the section labeled Company or Agency Settings, depending on your plan. Click that to access your main account details. This is the central place for information tied to your organization, and it's the right path toward managing what's connected to your subscription. Now, find the Billing tab or section. This is where your subscription, payment details, and account status are managed. Open it and wait a moment for your current plan details to display. This page is important because cancellation starts here. Scroll until you see the option to cancel subscription or a similarly worded button. Click it to begin the cancellation process. Around this point, a quick note. If you're watching via a browser, you can always return to the official site using the link in the description. If you prefer the app and it's available in your region, the download link is there as well. Back to the process. Some accounts may show prompts to pause or change plans. If you're certain you want to cancel, continue with the cancellation flow. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. You may be asked to select a reason for leaving. Choose the option that best fits your situation and confirm your cancellation request. Keep an eye out for any final confirmation buttons so the request is fully submitted. In some cases, canceling the subscription stops billing but doesn't permanently delete the account data. If you need full deletion, contact support. Use the help icon or visit the support area inside GoHighLevel and request permanent account deletion. Be clear that you want the account removed entirely. Finally, verify deletion. Check your email for confirmation and follow any final steps sent by support. Wait for the message that confirms your account has been permanently deleted before assuming the process is complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently close out your GoHighLevel account.